very cute. They were brought into a stormy world with some snow and rain, but luckily that won't be the memory for that family.
No, certainly not. And yeah, it was a pretty dreary day, especially outside of the mountains. In the mountains, though, where we had rain earlier this week, they got a good refresher to get the slopes filled back up with snow again.
Yeah.
And going forward, it's not going anywhere. It's going to be cold for quite some time. A live look at the radar now. There are a few showers over southern New Hampshire. Those will move into southern Maine in the next few hours. Otherwise, steady precipitation is mainly around Penobscot Bay here, Lincolnville, Belfast, some steady rain, Montville too. That's headed toward Orland and Bangor. A few showers around Bangor. North of there, though, we do have some snow falling through the Central Highlands and a mix of rain and snow in the county right now. 43 in Bar Harbor. We're at 38 degrees in Portland, down to 33 in Greenville. The center of the storm is right over central Maine right now, and this just isn't a favorable track for snow outside of the mountains, which is why so many of us saw rain today. But as the storm swells up over Quebec the next couple of days, it's going to, one, pull down cold, but two, really kick up the wind. I think that tomorrow and Friday are both going to be pretty windy days around here. So for the rest of the night, there will be some showers around. Not raining the whole night, but if you are in the mountains and far north, snow showers will keep going. And in the mountains, particularly with some elevation, there will be additional accumulation through tomorrow because the snow shower activity will keep going there. It'll be cold in the mountains too. We'll be in the 20s there tomorrow. The rest of us low to mid 30s tomorrow, perhaps getting into the upper 30s over southern Maine. That's where the most sunshine will be tomorrow, but all of us will be in on the wind. You can see right now the storm is here, but as it moves to our north, the wind will kick up out of the west tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., getting gusts over southern and western Maine between 30 and 40 miles per hour, and that may tick up a bit through the day. We may have some gusts that get close to 50 in some spots. Not quite as windy in eastern Maine, still a blustery day, but it does look like the strongest winds will be over the western half of the state. There could be a few power outages. I don't think anything widespread, but with some gusts of 45 to 50, a couple of limbs may come down on a line or two. On Friday, the wind will not be as strong, but it will still be up. High temperatures in the low to mid 30s in central and southern Maine, 20s in the mountains, but it will feel much colder than that with a steady wind 10 to 20 miles per hour and some gusts on Friday that get up over 30. After that, the cold basically becomes entrenched in place over the weekend, and it's going to stay cold for at least the next week or week and a half. And naturally, when that happens, the question is, are we going to see any snow? And the answer for now looks like no. The jet stream will be carved out to our south. One storm will miss and go out to sea over the weekend, and then another one will come out of the middle of the country Sunday into Monday. But right now it looks like it'll be to our south, so there could be some snow in the mid-Atlantic while we're just dry here in Maine and New Hampshire on Monday as that misses to the south. So we'll see if maybe later next week we can bring any snow chances into the forecast, but we don't have any big ones right now. Seas tomorrow 7 to 10 feet. A gale warning is up for tomorrow and Friday on the water. So it's going to be windy tomorrow and still gusty on Friday. Then over the weekend, temperatures drop upper teens to low 20s for high temperatures on Sunday. And both of those days will still be a little breezy. So when the temperatures are that low, it doesn't take much to cause a wind chill. And Alex, early next week just looks cold but dry. So no big storms for now.
Okay, bummer for the skiers and the snowboarders.
Yeah,
but
we've got to get some more snow for the snowmobilers too.
Yeah,
so.
Plenty of winter left.
You bet.
Yeah, thanks, Ryan.